How to fix your device has been banned in Litmatch app. Now in this video, I'm just going to be showing you the most popular or the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass logging in into your Litmatch if it is banned. So first of all, just simply head straight into your phone home and locate your Litmatch application. Tap and hold in it and locate and tap on the eye icon if you're using Samsung. So you will be redirected into the app info. Now in here, just scroll down a little bit and then under usage, just simply tap on storage. And this is the actual part on resetting your whole account on Litmatch application. Just simply comply both of these options like clear all data and clear all cache as well. And once you re-pull up the application, you will be asked to re-log in into your account. Now, it might not be working for some, but it did work on my experience. And that's it. That's how you fix your device has been banned in the Litmatch app.